This video is an addition to one I made late in 2019 about that Honda car alarm going off and how I fixed it. This scheme I made up with the horn button works pretty good, except for one minor problem. The regular horn button here doesn't work, and sometimes in a pinch you have to find it and use it very quickly. So I'm going to make some changes here to this scheme. I looked at the schematic and I see that the heater fan relay right here is energized anytime that the ignition switch is on. So I stuck a relay in parallel with the heater fan relay that picks up whenever the ignition is on. So when the relay picks up, it completes the circuit that I previously removed. So now the horn button will work. So now let's give it a try here. Ignition switch off. No horn button. Ignition switch on. It works. Great. Problem solved.